Hey there, welcome to day 1698 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the business journey as I transitioned originally in 2017 in the brick and mortar corporate world of businesses, over a quarter century in corporate America, while simultaneously running and owning and operating and managing businesses in at least 27 different industries before I came online. So I've been online, I've kind of lost track of all the different businesses and industries I've had my fingers in since then, and will continue to until I don't want to do it anymore. So today our idiom for supersize your business was straight from the horse's mouth. And we've talked about this idiom before. It comes from horse racing, and it basically means get your information firsthand or from as close to the actual source of that information as is humanly possible, especially when you're making decisions for your business and your livelihood and how you want to show up in the world. Don't rely on information that's been regurgitated, manipulated, or changed in some way, shape, or form for the benefit of the person communicating that information. Guess what? We all do that. We all hear what we want to hear, see what we want to see, experience what we want to experience based on our current set of beliefs. And although our beliefs change over time, what we will and will not allow ourselves to even hear has been a really interesting life lesson. Sometimes we get angry at people because we're like, I don't see how you don't see this. Well, they don't see it because their brain and their subconscious will protect them from seeing things that they don't want to see. That's how people can be led to believe all kinds of stuff that if you're looking at it from the outside, you're like, well, that's just batshit crazy. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. How can someone believe that? That's how people believe lies. That's how people are easily manipulated and conned in different ways based on the person doing the conning and the manipulation and the lying, cheating, stealing, etc.'s behavior. Everything that we learn, everything we experience can be used for good or evil. And it's up to the person using those things that we learn whether they're going to use it for good or evil. That's why I only work with people that want to make the world a better place. I don't work with anybody who I even have the guttural instinct has got, nefarious intent with the things that I teach them. I only want to teach people the things that have worked for me if they're going to use it in ways that make the world a better place. If they use it to better their life and the lives of those they love and care about. So, straight from the horse's mouth. Make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you look into it yourself. Make sure you don't just believe the rumors and the lies and things that people tell you, because a lot of times they don't even know they're rumors and lies. They're just passing on information, like the telephone game we all played in grade school. And they don't even realize that they're passing on falsehoods or opinions or things that aren't at all founded in fact or what is reality. And remember, all of us have our own sense of reality based on our experiences as well. Our topic for communication related for the annual challenge, BU 365-day challenge, where we're doing one thing every day that improves us, we're focusing on communication this month. And our topic today was humor. So I shared like 33 different ways that we can add more laughter to our lives. We're just going to share one funny thing or one humorous thing that happens around us or to us today. Any questions, hit me up. It's a weekend here in my neck of the woods, so I have projects I'm working on. Some work related, some not, some personal improvement areas. That is my time to do those things. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Have a fun, humorous day, and remember to get things straight from the horse's mouth. See you tomorrow. Bye.